Busan day 2.
Busan day 2. We ain't even do nothing during the day.
It rained the whole time, I think. Or we just kind of like chilled because we was kind of tired from the drive, getting lost, finding a hotel. We went out. No, we stayed in, and then we did the yacht thing. We went out that night. So we have been like on go since we like got there. So we just chilled most of the day.
Mm-hmm.
And it was raining, like I said.
It was a drone show happening that night. So we stayed, watched the drone show. Sunday. Yeah. So we stayed, watched the drone show. The drone show was amazing.
Yeah. So emotional, bro. What the hell? Oh, wow.
Dang, that's hard.
Oh, my God.
That's hard.
Wow. Wow. That is so pretty.
How do they do that?
A bunch of them.
I'm talking about insane.
Program.
Then they don't do the music.
That's wild.
Whatever that means.
That is some freaky stuff.
With the arms moving up and down.
Yeah, that's some freaky stuff. That's beautiful though. Like my brain can't comprehend that those are
Control.
Aww.
They all turn and sing.
How many drones do you think that is?
Maybe 300. More.
It gotta be like 1,000. Cause look at what they're doing. Like they're all standing right there. Like a grid. That is crazy. Imagine being on the yacht for that. going?
After that, we went to Biff Square. Biff Square is where people would do, it's like a market, it's a street market, where people sell food, clothes, do performances and stuff.
Biff is short for Busan International Film Festival.
Beef pizza. Ooh, lights, camera, action. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, look though. Hello. We're exotic in the mug. We in Busan. You feel me? Finna go Biff Square. Try some exotic food. Eat some squid. Eat some whole bunch of shit. Eat some bread with seeds in it.
Stuff like that.
Stuff like it. She shells at the she show. That who? Nah, we finna give you a little fit check though. I'm with, oh, my bad. To introduce, you feel me? Y'all know Q. Q the koala, you feel me? But she dressed like a zebra today, so.
Dressed like a zebra.
Q the zebra. Oh yes. You feel me? And then this my little outfit check, you feel me?
You crazy.
So yeah.
Now you got me saying that now.
And we out here, we finna go to the little market. And you finna see the food we finna eat. Finna eat some exotic food, cause we exotic people.
Heard.
Straight like that.
Straight like that.
Say it one time.
Straight like that.
Straight like that. She sells
By the seashore. Period. International Film Festival.
Straight like that.
This is so pretty. Like, I love that. I need to
Got to Biff Square and there was nobody out there. We went out there way too late. Everything was closed and everybody was packing up leaving. So we went back to Hyundai and we just walked around, partied, or club, and she ended up trying some sugar oranges.
went to the arcade. It was a really dope arcade. I whooped his ass in air hockey twice.
One time.
Twice.
One time.
Twice. You could tell by the head shape that it was for real twice. Not once, but twice.
It's cause on my side the goal was bigger, so
Sure.
she was able to score a lot. Anyways,
Yeah. Sure.
Got us a glazy orange kebab. God damn.
No, that's not what it's called.
What's it called?
It's candy green.
Sure, like that. Glazy orange kebab.
Sure.
Orange slice kebab.
You wanna bite into it? Good, ain't it?
What that white dude do?
He was stuck.
Interesting flavor. Very exotic.
I like the orange.
Sticking to my teeth a little bit. Damn. Crazy. But exotic one down. Looking for an exotic number 2. Almost failed. Oh. Yeah, we up there with it. For sure.
Bro, you gonna have to edit out all my comments in this next video.
Yeah, I got you, fool.
It can be unfiltered as
Yeah, it was one above. For sure, thank you, fool.
That shit like really like $1.50.
Yeah, the upgrade. That's precious. What is that? Ah, that's a McLaren. It's a McLaren. It's 720S.
This the one I'm thinking about. Yeah.
That mode crazy.
Well, no.
One day, man.
Bro, this nigga just pulled up. His exhaust still hot. He just
One
pulled
day,
up.
man. One day. I'm getting there one
I
day.
don't even
man.
need one of these hoes though. That's what's crazy.